Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for November 21st, 2025. Now let's explore what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 18 Uinal, and the 12 Kin. Today's long count reflects a powerful spiritual wave of release, renewal, and emotional clarity. The number 12 emphasizes understanding, the moment when you finally see the full picture and integrate the lessons of your recent journey. This is a day of internal lightening, sudden awareness, emotional liberation, and powerful healing. Everything you release now becomes fuel for your transformation. When combined with Kawak's storm energy, today becomes a day of emotional cleansing, breakthroughs, the release of old patterns, renewal of inner strength, and spiritual purification. You're being asked to express feelings, to release pressure, and to allow revelations to come without resisting them. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 8 Kawak. Kawak is represented by the storm. It carries the energy of the cleansing rain, thunder, and emotional truth. It's the purifier that restores clarity by washing away what no longer serves the heart. The number 8 is the great harmonizer of balance, empowerment, flow, and sacred cycles. Collectively, 8 Kawak is one of the most powerful emotional healing days in the Tzolk'in calendar. It activates emotional honesty, the release of tension, sudden clarity, energetic cleansing, the renewal of spirit and strength through expression. This is not a destructive storm, rather, it's a sacred cleansing storm that restores emotional balance and spiritual vitality. Today, the universe invites you to let the rain fall, as your heart is being washed clean. This is a day when your energy is being renewed and your spirit is being strengthened. Kawak teaches us that emotions are not weaknesses, they are movements of the divine force inside all of us. Know that whatever rises today, rises for healing, and not harm. You're being asked to let your emotions move without suppressing them and to release any resentment, guilt, or shame. Lastly, if needed, allow yourself to receive support. Now, let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 7 Wo. Wo, the month that begins the new Hob solar cycle, is the architect of foundations, and day 7 is a powerful stabilizing point. It's the moment where internal shifts start to anchor into form. After the storm of Kawak, 7 Wo provides the grounding needed to integrate the emotional transformation. Today also supports emotional stability and grounding after breakthroughs. It's the setting of new foundations and the integration of recent clarity. This is a day for what is being released yields way to make room for a new structure. It's a time for what is now being cleansed becomes strength, and what is now understood becomes wisdom. Today brings the grounding needed after emotional purification, helping you to recenter, realign, and return to balance. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Today is a day of collective emotional cleansing as we move through a wave of release, truth, healing, and renewal. Collectively, today helps break emotional stagnation and clears old narratives that have weighed on the heart. This is a time when you may feel a sense of heightened emotion, clarity, release, inspiration, and spiritual renewal. You're being asked to prioritize truth, kindness, and emotional clarity, and to support others gently if they experience intensity. Also to respond to others with compassion rather than reaction. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I cleanse, I release, I renew. My emotions are sacred, powerful, and healing. I rise purified, balanced, and restored. Thank you all for your support.